Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some DIY beach themed room decor, and I'm really excited to show you this video because I recently just redid my room, but I'm not going to be showing you everything yet because I'm waiting on my new furniture and it's not coming till July, and I actually am filming a whole video on this, like the process and everything, but yeah, it's not quite finished because I'm still adding things, and that's why I decided to do this video so that I can have different decor in my room. So yeah, this is all you get to see for now because I want it to be a surprise. But yeah, you'll probably still be getting to see little clips every now and then because I'm probably going to be posting a lot of videos till July something. But anyways, I wanted to make it kind of like a surprise because I'm not done filming that video yet. Oh yeah, I need to remember to do this. Okay, so I'm doing this thing where I give shoutouts. So if you want a shout out, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn my notifications on, and comment done when you're done, or just comment anything down below, I don't care. So yeah, and you could get a shout out in my next video. So the shout out from last time is Craig Litke. I don't know. I will put it on the screen. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So for the beach terrarium, all you are going to need is some sand, a clear glass container, some seashells, and that's pretty much it. So all I started by doing is just pouring in the sand, and you can even get colored sand and get really fun and creative with it by doing different layers. But I just decided to get regular sand, and then I just started decorating the inside of it by putting some shells and just a bunch of random stuff that I found in Florida. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. So for the shell light switch cover, all you're going to need is to get a clear white or a plain light switch cover, and I basically just took seashells and started hot glue gunning them all around the edge of the light switch cover. And yeah, you can find fake seashells at Hobby Lobby, or you could just go to a beach and find some. So this is kind of a combination of fake shells and real shells, and I think it turned out really cute, and it's a really fun way to just like spice up your room a little bit. You can do this with any room, like if you have a flower themed room you could put flowers around it, but I just thought this was like a really fun idea. So yeah, that is pretty much it. to make this coastal garbage can, all you're going to need is a plain white garbage can, some seashells, scissors, a hot glue gun, and twine. So I just started by hot glue gunning the twine all the way around the bottom of the garbage can. And then I just started by hot glue gunning some seashells at the top of the garbage can, and I just did like this pattern, and I thought it looked pretty cool, so I just went with it. And then I just started by hot glue gunning some more seashells at the bottom of the garbage can because it looked like it needed a little bit more of something. So I put a few of these cool like twisty looking shells at the bottom. And yeah, that's my little design that I made up. And yeah, you could pretty much do any design that you want to do, but I think this one turned out really cool. So to make this seashell candle thing, I don't know what to call it, all you're going to need is some seashells, a tea light candle, and a hot glue gun. So I just started by hot glue gunning both of the shells together. And then I just took this tea light and I just tipped it upside down and took it out of the little case. But you want to make sure you save the wick of the candle. And then I just crushed up the wax inside of a bowl and I heated it in the microwave for 30-second intervals, and it helps to put coconut oil in with it so that it melts a little bit better. And then I just hot glue gunned the wick to the shell and I just poured the wax in, and that's pretty much it. And then you can just light your candle and it's just really relaxing, and I just really love this one. So to make this flower decor, all you're going to need is some twine, scissors, a hot glue gun, some fake flowers, and a tin can or like a mason jar or something. This was actually from raviolis and I just rinsed out the inside of it. But be careful when you rinse out the inside of it because the rim of it is really sharp and I ended up cutting myself. So I just started by hot glue gunning some twine around the whole tin can. And once I was done with that, I just put some fake flowers in there. And yeah, this is probably the easiest DIY you could possibly do. But it turned out really cute. Could also go for like a rustic or country room or something. I don't know. But I thought it looked kind of beachy and I really like how it turned out. And if you enjoyed, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye!